Hello everyone, welcome to another video. You're probably wondering why I gathered all of you here today. And I'm telling you, today we're gonna be decorating my Christmas tree. But we're gonna make a Sylvanian, of course. No, I'm not talking about the one in the back. I'm talking about this one, a teeny tiny tree that we're gonna give it a Sylvanian theme, of course. Let me show you what I mean by that. So here's everything I prepared. And you're probably wondering, what's up with the crafting supplies? Let me tell you the full idea. I want my Sylvanian babies to match the Christmas theme, so I'm gonna give it's one of the babies a little Santa Claus hat. And we're gonna craft it today. I got my pair of scissors here, glue gun, because we ain't gonna do sewing today. And this ribbon that I got, it's a little darker, but it's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. We're gonna make it work. And some cotton balls, but I'm only gonna be using the white ones. I also have some spare Christmas ornaments to complete the look. And some Christmas lights, of course. I picked these red hearts for today. So yeah, let's start by making the Christmas hats first. And we're gonna start by heating the crusty dusty glue gun. While we're waiting for the glue gun to heat up, let's start with preparing the hat itself. This is the ribbon I picked. Really nice, really deep red. And again, I'm gonna make it super simple. I'm only gonna be using this ribbon. And let me give you a closer look of what I'm doing. Let's unwrap the ribbon first. Oh wow. Look how beautiful it looks. Let's start with measuring their heads. What I'm gonna be doing is basically create a triangle. Like so. And keep it in place with a glue gun. So that's about the size I want. Okay, now let's cut it. And prepare the rest of them. 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, here we have the pieces. I'm gonna be using this shiny part of the ribbon as the outside of the hat. And now it's time to glue it together. Just place a little bit of the glue. And let's fold it. It looks something like this. Let's do the rest of them. And here we have our 3 little hats. Time to fix the back of it. And now that everything is dry, let's shape it a little by cutting the back. And there we have it. Now let's measure the ribbon for the bunny since they have a slightly larger head. Doing the same thing, I'm folding. It's gonna look so funny. I actually have to cut holes for their ears, otherwise the hat won't fit them. Let's cut about here. And now I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the kittens. Again, cut off this excess part. This actually looks so funny with her hat on the side. Maybe I'm gonna keep one or two of them like that, and the rest of them will have simple holes to fit their ears. Let's see how it goes. Now it's time to put the cotton balls in use, and I'm only gonna be using the white ones. And I'm gonna start by making little balls to place on the top of their hat. So I'm gonna need 6 of those. And I also want to do the base of the hat. Well, something like that. So yeah. I'm gonna make some snow lines for the hat. Now that everything is ready, let's put their hats together. Starting with the kittens, I'm gonna take a cotton ball, add some glue, and place it on top, basically. It's gonna look something like this. Let's do the rest of their hats. This one turned out a bit better. I'm gonna do the rest of them off camera because it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, and I'll be back. Now that my little hats are ready, I'm gonna do the base. I'm gonna be putting a little bit of glue all around the hat, and I'm gonna glue the little snow around it. And there we have it. I'm gonna have to fix it a little. But that's basically it. Now I'm gonna do the same to the rest of the hats. Again, I did the rest of them off camera because the glue kind of dries fast and I had to move fast. So, and now let's give everyone their hat. Oh my god, that looks so funny. And now I'm gonna try and add 2 little holes on this hat for the little bunny's ears. I really hope I don't mess this up. I'm simply gonna add 2 little holes on the side. Oh my god. And 2. Oh, please don't look bad. Okay, clearly not my best hat. I'm gonna keep the rest of them on the side. As you can see, the ribbon kind of rips off. It doesn't really stay well, but it's okay. He's cute. We love him. And here's all my Christmas Sylvanians. Now let's decorate the tree. Well, let's decorate the tree, but let's unwrap it first. It's not gonna take long. It's such a small tree. I'm going as fast as I can. And our Christmas tree is ready and unwrapped. Now let's add the little Christmas lights. Give me a second. Starting from the top. Woo! Okay. And now let's go around it. I'm struggling. Christmas lights ready. Moment of truth. It's looking so cute. Now I'm gonna add the spare Christmas ornaments, and last I'm gonna add the Sylvanians. Okay, I'm gonna be quick. As quick as I can. Look at those little Christmas cards. They look so cute. Another piece over there. Look how cute it is. So cool. Now it's time. It's time. It's time. How am I going to place them? I'm thinking. Let me move you a little closer to the tree. So basically, I'm just gonna add them here on the tree branches. Wait, I got an idea. Yay! Wait. I'm gonna bend the tree branches a little to hold the Sylvanians. Oh my god, I'm a genius. Look! Okay, let's do the same. And the other tree branches. But it works! Okay. Oh my god, this is so cool. One over. It's so funny. One over there. No. Yeah, it's better. Over there. Boom. Good. We lost a hat. Did I put them all in the back? Wait, we need to move one. We're gonna move that one because it's way in the back. Okay, that's better. And I'm gonna place one over there because we need to see all of them. I don't want them to be in the back. All right, I fixed it a little. I like to add a ribbon on the top, but I don't know which one. I got two. I got this one. And this one that kind of looks like a candy cane. And I think I'm gonna go with that one. I'm gonna wrap this bell around it. So now I have my little ribbon ready. I'm gonna place it right on the top of the tree. Can you see it? And no Christmas tree is complete without an angel on the top. So this is gonna be our angel. It's gonna go right there on the top. Perfect. Now this is what my tree looks like. And no tree is actually complete without some presents. This is the only ones I had. Let's put them on the base. And last, I'm gonna add the husky family. And we're done! Okay, I turned off the lights so you can see the actual tree. It's so red, and I really love the husky family right on the bottom. And that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments, what theme did you give your Christmas tree for this year? Also, I really want to thank you once again for all the love and support on my videos. My first video hit 12K. That's unreal. Thank you so much. And also, this channel is about to be 1 year old. So that's another celebration. I'm very excited. If you like this video, please give it a like because it helps me a lot. And let me know, which is your favorite holiday? Mine is obviously Christmas. I like to decorate my house a lot. And I mean a lot. As for me, I'll see you next time. Bye!